Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're taking a closer look at what I would call the best crib canopy mosquito net protection you can get right now. This product is designed not only to keep mosquitoes and bugs away but also to keep your baby safe, secure, and comfortable inside their crib. Let's break it all down so you can see if it's the right fit for your nursery. First off, let's talk about the main problem it solves. Parents know the struggle when babies start becoming little escape artists. They climb out of the crib, they get into unsafe situations, and it becomes a constant worry. This breathable mesh crib tent is built exactly for that. It creates a secure barrier that prevents babies from climbing out, giving you peace of mind and helping your little one stay safe while they sleep or play. Now, safety is the #1 priority here. This tent comes with double locking security features. The zipper automatically locks, and it even has an additional safety latch. That means your baby can't unzip it from the inside or push their way out. At the same time, you as the parent can easily open it whenever you need to. It's designed to meet and exceed child safety standards, so you don't have to worry about shortcuts or flimsy construction. Next, let's look at the material and design. The mesh is fine, breathable, and durable. That means plenty of airflow and full visibility while keeping out bugs, pets, and even preventing those accidental tumbles. It basically works like a cozy dome or canopy over the crib. And because of its breathable nature, your baby can rest comfortably without overheating. It's light, but at the same time strong enough to handle daily use. Another great feature is the fit. This tent is made specifically for standard full-size cribs, measuring about 52.5 by 29 inches. Installation doesn't require any tools, and it pops up quickly. In just a few minutes, you can have it securely in place. That makes it very convenient if you're a busy parent who doesn't want to deal with complicated setup. The tent is also versatile in what it protects against. Beyond stopping your baby from climbing out, it works as a mosquito net. It keeps curious pets like cats from jumping into the crib, and it reduces the risk of items falling inside. It's a multi-purpose safety product that adds another layer of security to your child's sleep environment. From a practical perspective, it's also designed to last. The mesh holds up well over time, the zippers are reinforced for long-term use, and the whole product is lightweight at just over 2 pounds, so moving it or cleaning around it is no hassle at all. And because it's created by a small business dedicated to baby safety, the attention to detail and build quality really stand out. So to sum it up, this crib canopy mosquito net from Pro Baby Safety is more than just a cover. It's an escape prevention solution, a bug shield, and a comfort dome for your baby. With its breathable mesh, auto-lock zippers, safety latch, and easy installation, it gives both you and your baby the peace of mind you need. It's not just about making your crib safer, it's about making your parenting journey just a little easier. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you're looking for the best crib canopy mosquito net protection, this one checks all the boxes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.